guys, it's Sylvia here. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a very sweet, yummy, creamy and delicious smoothie that you can try out. This smoothie was made with just 3 ingredients and it is really nourishing and revitalizing to your body. So the first ingredients we'll be using are oranges, juicy oranges. Oranges, as we all know, are packed filled with vitamin C. It contains high amounts of antioxidants that are beneficial to our skin, our hair and so many other parts of our body. It helps to boost our immune system. It helps in revitalizing our cells. So we are just going to cut open the oranges and we are going to squeeze out the juices from the oranges. So over here we've squeezed out the juices from the oranges, and so that's the first ingredient we'll be using. The second ingredient we'll be using for this recipes are mangoes. I love mangoes. Mangoes are so juicy. Mangoes are very nice. Mangoes are very beneficial to our system. It contains antioxidants. It also helps to remove free radicals from the body. It helps the skin to glow. So this recipe is very good if you're looking for a glowing skin. Make sure you try out this recipe and let me know how it goes, because trust me, your skin will thank you. So the second ingredient we'll be using are mangoes, juicy mangoes. The third ingredient we'll be using are pineapples. Pineapples are sweet. Pineapples are very nourishing to our cells. They contain bromelain, and bromelain aids digestion. It helps to clean out toxins from our systems. So that's the third ingredient we are going to be using. So after that, I just put in the mango into a blender and also added my pineapple and also added the juice we extracted from the oranges, and we are just going to blend the 3 of them and blend them. If you don't like the consistency, you can add a little bit of water to it. So you're going to blend until it becomes very smooth. So if you have children, you can also pop the smoothie after blending it properly. You can also put it into a popsicle maker, a popsicle maker, and put it into the freezer, and when it freezes, you can give it to them as popsicles. You know, children love popsicles, so you can serve it to them at popsicle, and it is very nourishing. So over here I'm just going to pour into the cup and you can drink. This is very delicious. Let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.